Hi, welcome to this demo of NXTOption. Today we'll be talking about rollover analysis. If you are a futures trader, rollover analysis is for you. This feature is available on NXTOption. So let's get into the demo straight away. This is the CubePlus page. Click on NXTOption. Click on Analyze. And the second option that's available is Rollover Analysis. So basically, rollover analysis is when traders are trading in the current month futures decide to take their positions forward to the next month, right? So here we have this option for NFO, BFO. We have highest rollover and lowest rollover. So let me explain what is highest rollover. So if you look at Cholamandalam Finance 20th October future, here rollover percentage has been 94.56%, where 94% of the positions have rolled over to the November expiry, and about 5.5% have closed their positions or taken delivery of Cholamandalam Finance. So 94.56% of these positions have rolled over to the next month, which means that 94% of them are still confident in their positions to carry forward to the next month. So what is rollover cost? If you look at it here, it is minus 28.6, which means Cholamandalam Finance is available. The future of Cholamandalam Finance is available at 28.6 cheaper compared to the current month, having an expiry of 20th October. And the rollover cost is about minus 1.65%. That is the rollover cost percentage. And you can also check the last traded price, the last traded price change percent, the open interest, and the open interest percent change. So here the open interest percentage is minus 59%. Similarly, you can check for lowest rollover. If you click on that, you can see BPCL 20th October future had the highest rollover, had the lowest rollover of 57.36%, with a rollover cost of 0.25, which is almost the same. If you check for BFO, you have BankX 30th October future with the lowest rollover of 6.67%. Let's check the highest rollover for BFO. The Sensex 30th October future has the highest rollover of 53.61%, and the rollover cost is 493.3, which means this is a positive rollover cost, which means it is costing more by 493.3. As a percentage, it is 0.58% increase in cost. So that's it for today's demo of rollover analysis. Check out our other videos on NXTOption as well. We've given out a lot of demo videos. That's it for today. Thank you.